have some of this taco filling left from the other day, and I've been seeing people online rolling things in rice paper sheets and putting them in the air fryer, and they get all nice and crispy. So I thought I would give that a try. I already have a piece here that I soaked in water. A little bit of nutritional yeast. Not the prettiest job, but it'll do. So I'll make a few of these and put them in the air fryer, and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, here they are, looking good. I have some sesame. I'm gonna sprinkle that on top because why not? Let's try 400 for 5 minutes and we'll see what that looks like. It needs longer. Let's go for another 5 minutes. They're not getting as brown as I thought they would, but I mean, they're slightly crispy. The bottoms were a little soggy. I should have put these trays in to begin with, but I just hate cleaning them so much. Anyway, so I put the trays in. I'm gonna try a couple more minutes and see if we can get them any darker. So we did a total of 15 minutes at 400 in the air fryer. I tasted it, it was very hot, and well, they stick together. It was mostly chewy. The top was slightly crispy, but nothing spectacular. Still hot. Still really hot. But it's a fun idea. Just not as crispy as I thought it would be. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. It's mostly chewy, but I like that you can really fill it with anything and, you know, kind of feel like you're eating takeout. I would definitely make these again.